Philadelphia. A woman accused of in the deaths of two Pennsylvania state soldiers made an objection on Wednesday. In March 2022, police said that March 2022, when soldier Branden Sisca and Martin Mack had helped a man walking on highway when driver Jayana shot and killed 3 men in I-95 southern Philadelphia. Webb admitted that he was under influence of alcohol when he hit the soldiers and man they helped. In a Philadelphia courtroom, Reyes Rivera Olives, 3 points were found guilty of and driving under the influence. The hearing was sometimes heartbreaking. Both Stephanie Mack and Brittany Sisca said that after the sudden deaths of their young daughters' husbands, Mack and Sisca suffered a tremendous loss. Stephanie Mack: the difference between him and my husband. The visit hours of a glass door to see him. My children visited a tombstone. He said. The trial avoided the trial and was sentenced by Webb Hon. Barbara McDermott was sentenced to 27.5 to 60 years in prison. Breaking-Jayana WebB was found guilty of the 3rd degree in the I-95 DUI accident that killed PA. State Police Troopers Branden from March 2022 and Reyes Rivera Rivera Olives. Today's conviction to Jayana WebB is a fair solution of one of the most shocking events in the last memory. Regional lawyer Larry Krasner said. He said, Mrs. Webb will deliver her to court officially on Tuesday. Then there will be more to share with the press and the public. Prosecutors said that Webb tweeted 2 seconds before accident and had approximately 3 times blood alcohol content of legal limit. Webb apologized in court before being sentenced. Michael Walker, who represents Webb, said, at some point, our prayer they have achieved some peace and comfort. At one point the prayer that they can forgive him. He always wanted to accept responsibility for his mistakes. Prosecutors said defense agreement prevents a test of video and the photos of accident. The best result was to avoid having to put their families out of this terrible tragedy. Philadelphia's regional lawyer Jeff Hojnowski said. A decision Judge McDermott said he was fighting. Brittany Sisca said it was time to come to court. Brittany Sisca. Reflection time. It is time to always spend with girls, said. Webb will return to court next week. EV imprisonment issues will be paired and then having her baby. The judge said there will be very little days before going to jail.